I'm Michelle Donegan. I'm here at the Mobile Europe Business and Technology Summit. I am delighted to be with Mike Dakin, who is UK Managing Director at Connect44. Hello, Mike.
Hello, Michelle.
So, Mike, let's start with you telling us a bit about Connect44 and what you do.
So Connect44, we provide end-to-end managed services for the mobile telecommunications world predominantly. So we focus our efforts towards the mobile network operators, the towercos, and also fixed network companies, providing essentially a plan, build and manage strategy. So from end to end, the initial design and planning of networks through to the physical and logical build of the networks, and also providing network operations and network management centers throughout Europe.
What are the most effective strategies for addressing the cost challenges in the market, and how can those strategies be implemented to give competitive advantage?
For Connect44, it's about remaining customer-centric. We remain very close to our clients and provide them with what they really want. And I think that at a time when the geopolitical world is very fractious and is creating high energy costs, high cost to borrow, it means operators can't spend the money they used to. So for us, it's about reacting to that, working with them to provide innovation, creative solutions to ensure we give them the solutions they need. So whether that be within the configuration process, we may provide, we've developed a niche tool, a site configuration file tool that enables operators to develop their and integrate their sites quicker, faster and cheaper. We also provide nearshore centres across Europe, predominantly from our facility in Bucharest, Romania, where we have over 300 employees supporting multiple customers across multiple countries. And from there, because we are vendor agnostic, it means we can provide our engineering staff with the training and the tools to be able to support a wide canvas of customers and areas of work that we need to manage. We also have an offshore centre in Malaysia. We introduced this predominantly because one of our customers wanted us to create an out-of-hours delivery centre focused on core network changes, particularly within the core network where a lot of the high-profile incidents can take place. It needs to be done out of hours. So we've adopted a follow-the-sun mentality, which enables us to adapt that strategy for them.
We've seen some consolidation activity in the market lately, and there is likely to be more. How is Connect44 helping mobile network operators in Europe with network consolidation?
Well, we've been around for 25 years now and seen many networks consolidated, merged, changed, and major swap programs. So I think for us, being, again, vendor agnostic and operating across all the plan, build, manage portfolio of services, it gives us an advantage in terms of being able to manage all stages of the process. If we go back in time, we had the Godiva project with MBNL and Ericsson. We've seen the Beacon program between Voda and O2. Shortly, we're likely to see Voda and 3 go through a similar process. So we've got the experience to be able to manage these types of services, be that from the site design planning perspective, replanning the networks to manage that, or decommissioning and reintroducing new equipment into those sites to be able to manage the new network dynamic. So it really comes down to the end-to-end holistic management of those changes. We're not vendor specific, which gives us an advantage in focusing on what the customer really needs, not what the product needs.
What do you think telecom networks will look like in 2030? And what are the key technologies that are going to shape those networks?
I think we've seen the last few years the desire to adapt and change. We've heard today about AI being a feature in the next few years. I think in the near future, there's a lot of discussion around Open RAN as a means and a way to change the dynamic within the radio space. Again, investment is challenging at this stage, but we have recently been involved in the first deployment of a vRAN site in Germany, as well as other projects ongoing in Spain and in the UK. So we can see that being a path for the next few years as to how the radio space develops. Also, as technology, the demands on technology become even greater, a hell of a lot more data out there, and the usage of our phones and our devices becomes even larger. It means that we need to ensure that the networks are densified within urban areas particularly, which means how we provide the capacity and coverage for our customers is very important. That means DAS networks, connected street infrastructure, and even private networks as operators try and get business-to-business customers engaged. So for us, it's about seeing those transformations in technologies. The introduction of AI over time will be a feature, but for us, we can see in the near future, it'll be focused predominantly around those technologies.
Mike, thank you.
Thank you.